Yes, it works. Yes, it held up. And nice and hard on that crack. It can work for you too. So if you're limited by stores that have the correct product for what you need, when you need it, I suggest using that. There's other stuff out there. Yes, the stores I had didn't have it, and by the time I ordered it, I would have got it after the time I needed it. Go figure. So yeah, there's other stuff out there, high temp, JB Weld to be precise, that I would prefer to use. Couldn't find it, didn't have it. So just sealing up the crack with what I got, and hopefully that would help with the stuff I need to do.